Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz. Today I'm going to talk you through the new mid-layer from RUKKA, the Holt. Okay, so mid-layer from RUKKA this season, the Holt jackets. This is a simple mid-layer to go underneath. A load of the jackets are going to be coming out soon with no liners as standard. So if you look at the Calyx 2.0, has no thermal liner in it. Check out the review on that one soon. We'll be doing that pretty soon, I think. This is a liner to fit inside that jacket, and anyone else that's lost their liner needs an extra mid-layer, an extra layer they can wear on the inside of the product. More of a destination lining than your standard zip-in linings. So as you can see, you've got the RUKKA logo on the outside, zip on the outside, it's all finished nicely, it's got some pockets in it, so you can wear this as a standalone jacket itself, or as a mid-layer, as a little bit more warmth inside your current RUKKA jacket, or any jacket that you own. So YKK zippers running through it, so you're not skimping on the RUKKA quality at all. As you can see, it's got a nice quilted effect. To open up, you've got a high neck on it for nice warmth around the neck area. Contrast on the lining as well, so a nice coloured grey lining on the inside. It is a black on the outside. But spin it around, you can see you've got the quilting all the way down the back, and then you've got a little hook there, so you can hook that into the back of a RUKKA jacket. Those of you guys who have got a RUKKA jacket, you know there's a little press stud area around the back here that will hook nicely into, just to secure the lining if you want to use it as a mid-layer inside your jacket. So that's the RUKKA Holt jacket, one of 3 mid-layers we're offering next season for RUKKA jackets. We've got the Down X from last season, which is a full down jacket. We've got the Aldrich, there's another video on one of those, and then we've got the Holt, which is our basic mid-layer that you can wear as a standalone jacket itself. For any more information on this or any of the other mid-layers, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk.